lot of noise out here because they doing construction and stuff, but I ain't gonna do nothing but put the best oil in the KTM. So I went ahead and picked up some of this AMS oil, you know what I'm saying? Some of the best oil, you feel me? Some of the best oil. I'm only gonna put the best in the bike. It take a little bit more than 1 quart, you feel me? So it take like, I read the forms and stuff, it take like 1.3 or something like that. So you know what I mean? I got 2. I already had one from the last time I put some oil in it, you feel me? I ain't changed the oil in about 70, 80 hours, you know what I'm saying? But we about to change today though. We about to change today though. She about to be, you know, back on the road hitting hard, you know what I'm saying? So stay tuned. Yo, I ain't gonna lie, I gotta clean up the garage, yo. I got tools and stuff everywhere. I gotta clean this motherfucker up, yo. I don't know. I'm gonna clean it up one day, but every time we come to the lot, we just get on the bike and go, you feel me? But I'm gonna clean it up one day. I don't even really got the right size little star Allen key little tool that I need, but I might have to go up and borrow the one off my man's up top for real. But if not, I'm gonna try to see if I can get it off with the tool I got right now. Cause I didn't, you know, that oil bolt screw not gonna be too tight. You feel me? When I first got the bike, you feel me? We came back, did the first oil change. The oil drain bolt was so tight. You feel me? I had to take it up top. He had to. You feel me? I'm gonna see if I can get it out with this tool right here. If I'm having a little bit too much trouble, I'm gonna have to take it up top. But let's see what's up with it. I be always rushing when I'm dealing with the bikes. I don't put my tools back in the right spot, yo. I just throw them anywhere. Damn. Now I can't find the tool I used the first time I did it, cause it was almost the right size. It was a little bit smaller, but it still worked. The thing was just way too tight. But damn, yo, I gotta try to find that real quick. I don't feel like going up top, but I might have to. I ain't even feel like going up top and bothering yo. So look, y'all can see in the background, y'all can see where that's at. Y'all can see in the background that I'm just leaving the Home Depot for real. Had to run me a whole dub and get this little set, cause they ain't had the original bit that I needed for real. They ain't have just the single bit that I needed, so I had to grab the whole fucking pack, yo. You feel me? Ran the boy a whole 20 for real. Whole 20 just for one tool, you feel me? Cause they ain't had the right bit. It was sold out for real, so gotta do what you gotta do. I'm gonna see what size it is for real. I think it's a 45 or 50. Cause like that's the size I didn't have for real. I had a 30. Let me try this 45 first and see what happens. Yeah, so it is the 45 on there. I'm about to go ahead and loosen this oil drain bolt out, dump this, change that, you feel me? It got the screens in here too. I just did the oil filters last one, so I don't gotta change the oil filters this time. I'll change them like next time or something. Damn. So little forks in there. Need some new forks. Need some new fork sales or something. But yeah. I know y'all don't really want to see all this oil drain out here, so I'm gonna get back with y'all in like a couple seconds, you feel me? So I just got the oil drain bolt plug out, whatever you call it, you know what I mean? This is how it looks though. Y'all seen my new bars, cause I ain't really say nothing about them, but I bent the other bars. If y'all didn't see the crash video, check that out. See, I got the pro tapers on here. And right here, I ain't gonna do nothing but put the best in it, you know what I'm saying? So we gonna go with this, you feel me? Just put the best in it right here. But right now, I'm just gonna dump this in there real quick. Like that sight glass be like all the way up, you feel me? Off the 1 quart joint. I don't even, it just be like saying this to the max full right now. I'm gonna do the 1.2. I'm gonna do the 1.2. So I got some extra just in case, you feel me? But I'm gonna do the 1.2. We're gonna run that. We're gonna see how the bike feel. You feel me? I told you I get the best oil, so I ain't really playing around. So, hey, we should be going to the trail soon, but we gotta get some new tires. You know what I'm saying? We gotta get some new tires for the trails. I wanna do some trail videos, you feel me? Right now, all we can do is wheelie. You feel me? That's all we can do right now. That's what we be doing. If we can go to the trails, then we would go to the trails. But since we can't go to the trails, all we can do is wheelie. So that's what we be doing. So we do what we can do. All right, right now I'm about to roll this baby out the garage and let that oil run for a second. You see what I'm saying? Turn the gas on real quick. Let it run for a second. See how the first start was a little rough, but it's going.